I've had to enlist my mini-me here to help me because my back's out today. MFUZOP sent us an updated version of their battery to check it out. But they saw that last video and they acknowledged the issues and said that they were going to fix it. And this is what they've sent. And this one, I wish I had a set of scales here that I could weigh it on.
I got scales at my house.
I don't know if it's me or if it's that wider.
It's wider. It's shorter, but wider.
Okay, this one arrived at 52 volts, and we've got it on my continuous power supply. And we've actually got this set for 56.8, and it'll steadily go up till it gets to 56.8. And as the voltage goes up, the amperage and the wattage will go down. I was going to open this battery, but it felt heavier than the other one, and the voltage was higher. So I thought we would try this first before I open it up, because I think they have addressed the issue, and we'll know just by charging it here if they have or not. So we'll come back and check on this. I know y'all can't really see this, and I apologize, but I wanted to show y'all that I actually have the MFUZOP installed in my system. Normally I would do this different, but I've hurt my back. Now that I'm in my chair, I rest my back here. And first off, I want to say I do wish I could bring y'all a more complete video, but unfortunately, I really did hurt my back, and I'm just not able to wrestle with that battery right now. In fact, I've got a computer build over here that I've had to put on hold because my back just won't let me stand there and do it. I don't have a way to do a capacity test on that battery like the big channels do, but it is in my system. The voltages are correct. It is working. I had to have it in my system because it's wintertime, the days are shorter, and I needed to reduce the runtime on my generator on bad days, stuff like that, and be able to make it longer hours without sunlight, because right now we're at the shortest time of the year, and we're losing solar about 4 p.m. and then we're having to go to 8:30, 9:30 the next morning before we start charging again, and even then we don't make usable solar until after 10:30. So it's not like we have a lot of charge time, and in that respect, it has done what I needed it to do. But it'll be interesting once I get that open to see what they did to correct the issues that we found in the first set of batteries. And if you didn't see the last video, I'll try to share a link up here somewhere, and y'all can go back and watch that one. And once my back heals up to where I can pick it up and wrestle with it, we'll get it back out of the system, and we'll open it up and look inside it to see what they've done. I want to clarify that MFUZOP saw the original video. They took it 100% serious, so much so that they tracked me down on social media and said, "Please give me another chance. Please give us another chance." And I told them that the only way that I would be willing to do anything is if they sent me a battery, knowing that I was going to open it up and film it while I'm opening it, while we're looking inside it, and show my viewers whatever's in there. If they wanted to send me a battery knowing that, that's what I would do. And they sent me the battery. Unfortunately, I have not been able to open it up, and that's on me, and I wished I could do something different, but I can't. We will get to it eventually. They have updated the listing over on Amazon. They've sent me the updated link, and I wish my channel made more money to where I could order a battery as a customer and have it shipped to me, and then compare it to this one and make sure that they're not trying to pull a fast one, okay? Because I don't know, is it cherry picked? Is it a one-off battery build? I don't know. Companies will do shady shit, pardon my English, and I'm willing to give these people a benefit of doubt because this battery is working it, and so far as the voltages and everything goes, it's what it's supposed to be. But I want to make sure that they didn't pull something inside, like change something on the BMS or something like that. But eventually we'll get it sorted. And thank y'all for putting up with my rambling. But I wanted to get y'all an update on the battery situation, and unfortunately, my body's letting me down. I'm not a young fella no more, and yeah. Anyway, once we get the next video up, y'all check that out. Y'all stay safe wherever you're on the road today, and we're out of here.
Hey, they say knew you, knew me. No, it's my birthday. A new sun rises, new year begins. Better me. Cold air, fire in my chest, more than breaks in the northwest. Drums on stone, hear the call, we rise together, one and all. No disguise, no need to change. Same blood, just wider range. Time moves forward, so do I. Eyes on the flame, not the sky.
Yeah, step by step, feel the ground, hear the horns, hear the sound. Not reborn, just set free.
Walking forward, a stronger me.
This ain't a new year, new me.
Same name, higher degree. It's my birthday, sing with me. New day, new year, better me. Raise the voice, raise belief. Standing life, standing loose. No reset, destiny. New day, new year, better me. Better me, better me, yeah. Stand tall, let the north wind breathe. Sun on steel, frost on ground. Every step makes sacred sound. If you walk this road with me, you feel the power underneath. Not chasing ghosts, not running fast. Building forward, stone by stone stacked. Same spirit, clearer sight. Carrying fire into night. Feel it grow from the earth or through the soul. No crowd yet, but I can see what I'm becoming. Steadily. Yeah, this ain't a new year, new me. Same name, higher degree. It's my birthday, sing with me. New day, new year, better me. Stand together, wild and free. This is who I'm meant to be. No reset, destiny. No reset, destiny. New day, new year, better me. Walk forward, stand tall. Honor the past, but answer the call. This ain't a new year, no me. Same fire, deeper me. It's my birthday, sing with me. New day, new year, better me. Voices up, let echoes be. From the mountains to the sea. No reset, destiny. No reset, destiny. New day, new year, better me. New horizon, better me.